Yeah, I think probably the one word to summarize that whole idea of aging in place is just uncomfortable, right? It's just confusing for people because a lot of times you start to realize maybe personally that you're in a space that, there needs to be some adjustments to. But even a lot of times we run into a lot of unique family dynamics with that, where maybe the children are looking at it and they're seeing things with their parents that they're concerned about, or we want them to be in a place where they're safe. The home is supposed to be a place where they're safe. And so for a lot of times, just as a child in this situation, right, I see, well, the easy solution is just change the environment, right, change the place. But at the same time, you have parents who want to stay in the home that they're comfortable in, that they've made memories in, that's dear to them, right? And so the idea is there's just a lot of confusion around that. And so when I'm talking to my friends about it, and we're finding all of us in this season now, we just realize that nobody prepares you for that season. Nobody prepares you for it, whether it's, you personally, aging in a home and just recognizing things are becoming more difficult, or you're watching your parents have trouble with a place that they've known for years. And so for us to come in and be able to provide some solutions where we can create safety in the bathroom, space where most of the accidents happen, and make it more feasible and manageable for people to age in place, right? Stay in the home they're comfortable in, enjoy the memories, be able to enjoy their coffee in the spot they've always enjoyed their coffee. But when they go in to use their shower, their bath, things like that, it's a place where there's not fright or discomfort. I had a customer share with us he hadn't washed his hair in the shower for 2 years because when he gets soap in his eyes, he gets disoriented. And so you hear things like that, and just by going in and converting that shower around and putting some grab bars around, he's able to move around in there. He's got a seat in the back now where he sits down, and that problem's gone. And his quote afterwards was, "That's the first time in 2 years I've taken a shower and didn't hurt after it." Right? So just to be able to provide things like that is very fulfilling for our team as a whole.